Hi everyone, in this video, I want to guide you on how to clear RAM caches in Windows PC, either Windows 10 and Windows 11. It's a disheartening thing where you turn on your Windows PC and it takes time before it responding, and this can be annoying. It is because the RAM on your device is too much and you need to clean it right away. In less than 3 minutes, guys, you are good to go. Just watch this video to the end. The first thing you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and open the task manager on your device. Right click at this place, click on task manager. Click on this button to access performance. Once you access the performance, scroll down. You can see that the caches of this device is about 3.5 gigabytes, which is very much, and that is why this system is running slowly even with about 16 gigabyte memory. Go and search for RAMMap Microsoft. You're going to have a lot of options. Click the first one that says learn.microsoft.com. click on it to open it. Once you open it, you're going to have something like this: RAMMap version 1.63. This is the latest version as of this time is recorded. Then click on this button to download it. Once you click on it, it's downloaded like this. It's a zip file. Click on this button to open the folder. Once you open the folder, you have something like this. You need to extract this. Right click on it, click on extract all. Now you have to select a location you want to extract this. So I'll click on this place and I will extract it straight to my desktop. Then I want to create a folder. Set my desktop. Right click, click on new, click a folder, then name it RAM map. Click on this. Now select this folder, click on extract all. That has been extracted. Now let's open my desktop and locate the folder I've just created, which is this. Double click and open it. Once you open it, you have something like this. So go ahead and run this one, the one with the highest value, which is this, but it should be in EXX. Now come back to this place, click on this button, click on show more, over your mouse to show more, then click on this one that says file name extension. Now you see that it has brought EXX. Now click on this one, right click, run as administrator, then click on yes when it opens. Now it has opened. Let me close this one, then come back to this place and bring out this performance on your task manager. Now take a look at what is going to happen here. Click on this empty, click on this empty. Now click on empty standby list. This one, click on it. Once you click on it, take a look at what happened here. You can see that it has reduced to 280 something. With this, guys, your device will run perfectly okay. It will start moving. The job of it is that you can leave this on your device because it's a very minute program. And each time you discover that your device is running slowly, it's running slack, just come back to this place, then click on this button that says empty standby. You see that it has reduced it again to the barest minimum. And that's it. You've been able to clear up caches on your device in less than 3 minutes. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.